Hello friends, so till now we have seen some Java 8 features like stream API and functional interface and method reference and optional class, but today I will tell you what is Lambda expression in Java and how did it come from. So first of all, it is introduced in Java 8. It is also called as a Java 8 features. From 1.8 version, Java is also known as a functional programming language. Cause functional programming language means in everything you have to represent in the form of functions, and as we know that function can exist outside of the classes and functions can be stored into a reference variable. So can also passed as a parameter to the other method. So suppose we have a lots of and a huge number of huge lines of code. So in that case, if we want to reduce some lines of code, so in that case we can use a lambda expression because it is also used as for concise of your code in programming language. So what is, first of all we have to see what is lambda expression. So what is it? What is lambda expression? So it is, I think it is an anonymous function. It is a function which is anonymous. What do you mean by anonymous? Cause it is anonymous, it means it doesn't have any name, with no name, then no modifier, sorry, and no return type. That's why we called as this an anonymous function. It doesn't have any name, and without any name anything can be anonymous, sorry. No modifier means it doesn't have any modifier like private, public, and any other, and it doesn't support a void and return type. So I have to make a create a perfect like no name, then this doesn't have any modifier, so no modifier, then no return type. So let me take an example for your clarity. So remove this, no, don't remove this, just suppose we have a method here, public void add sorry, test, take it simple, as system dot out dot print system dot out dot print ln, and we have here a message like hello. So how will it in normal Java program? We can call it by using, by creating the class object and creating it, sorry, calling it by and the reference variable of object. So how we can write this in the form of lambda expression? First of all, you have to know how to represent a lambda expression in a program. So you don't have to use anything extra, just use a hyphen, then this sign, I think it's less than, sorry, greater than sign, and here the job is done. So this is the sign of lambda expression. So how can we write this method, method in the form of lambda expression, sorry. So as I told you that it doesn't have any name, it doesn't have any modifier, it doesn't have return type, so just remove it all first. First remove this public, modifier removed, void, return type removed, test, name removed. So what we have else? So I think we have here this. So write a lambda expression here. Then we have this bracket, curly bracket, and system dot out dot print ln, sorry, then hello message, and this, and this curly bracket, close curly bracket. So this is what we have.